Hi everyone, and you're so much welcome to today's tutorial. And I still remain your most wealthy shoemaking made easy tutor, Odurole Mojibola. Today I'm going to be showing us what I did to this particular heel and how I was able to achieve all those pair all around it. This is a simple technique I believe anyone with such kind of a heel can actually apply. If you're watching me for the first time, I need you to know that this is actually a channel you need to stick to and learn as many things as possible when it comes to shoemaking. So don't forget to subscribe and also to like this particular video. Please share as well. So I need you to sit with me and I'm gonna be right back. All right, this is the template. I'm just going to go ahead, place the template. I want to be sure. Yeah, I'm going to place the template right away. I've already tried to arrange the pair, the imitation pair, the way I want it to look like. Now, this is outrightly for those who are beginners. If you're a beginner and you are actually struggling with your shoe pattern cutting, I am actually giving you an offer to pay what you want for my pattern template ebook. The pattern template ebook is about 7,350. I'm going to be giving you the opportunity of paying what you want for this particular pattern template ebook. All you have there is over 50 different pattern templates. You have soles, you have insoles, you have different men pattern, women, as well as children pattern templates, and you'll be having a free follow-up class even as you purchase this particular pattern template. Now, if you have to pay at least 2,000 naira for the pattern template to access it. If you are paying anything more than 5,000 naira, you have access to my beginners course. If you are paying exactly 7,350, you are going to be having access to my intermediate course. This is outrightly for beginners. So you can decide to design it the way you want. So I'm just going to, of course, you can see all the positions I have already on top of it. So I'm going to just use this to just open through it. Now the pair the imitation pair comes like a rivet. So I'm going to use it to actually fix each of them. So I'm going to start from the side. This is the small pin that it comes with, this small pin. So I'm going to put it right from inside. It's coming out here. I'm going to place the imitation pair right there. So of course it has a setting tool which I do not have, but I'm going to actually use my EVA foam, also called Marco, just to cover it up here so that my plier does not deform it. Then I'll go ahead and use my plier to hold it down right there. So you can see what it looks like. I'm going to also continue that same way. I'll also do each and every one. I will fix all of the pair that same way. Put the pin, place this, and press. Now you can see what it's finally look like outside. I'm going to trim it off before I go ahead and wrap it around my heel. So this is just a simple way to add accessory to your heel instead of leaving it just blank, you understand, and open that way. So I've already applied my contact cement adhesive, and this is my heel. You can see the height. So I'm going to position this particular part right here. So let's go. So this is going to, I'll try to centralize it here. The same thing on this other side. Now you can see what it looks like right at the back. For this, I'm going to position it down this way. So this one is going to come right here, but I would love it to have a unique scalloping shape. So sorry. So you can see what this look like. Then we are going to reduce all of the edges, then apply contact cement adhesive again, and then try to position it. Now I've applied the contact cement adhesive all around. I'm just going to fold. Make sure that it's not you are not having too much leather. If you have too much leather around it, there is tendency you have a lot of pleats. So to avoid plenty, a lot of pleats right there, just reduce what you have. Reduce what you have. So when you get to this corner, did you see what I just did? Notch that side and it will lay perfectly well. You can see the way it lays perfectly well. So when you get to this side also, again, this angle, notch it again. Then you pull it in. You can see the way it's perfectly laying there. And then we have the same thing right here. So let's go to the other side. This also, you have to be very careful. Ensure that you reduce them also. Reduce it to about 0.5 centimeter. So you can see what I have. It will, stay perfectly well there. Then this, so you can see what I have right here. Now I'm going to just add my cap, which is the heel cap. The cap came with it. So because of all this side that is quite wide, you definitely have to adjust it if you want it to be able to go inside there. So you can see what I finally have after attaching my cap. So just make sure you attach your cap, and then your heel is good to go. So you can actually hammer it so that it will go in right well. Don't forget to also apply gum here. Apply gum on all the edges before you finally hammer it in, so that it will be close to it properly. So you can see what I have right here. You can see what this look like. All right, so thank you for joining me today, and I'm going to see you next time. Bye.